Hi, I am Dr. Diana. I had just come to know about this Penkraft from Facebook. So I just explored it and I came for a class to do this resin artwork on this Trinket tray and the two coasters. So it was an amazing experience. It was a very nice, cordial invite, first of all. When we started it, it was totally supervised and guided teaching, and we were given hands-on for everything. Practically everything was done by us, and even after doing, even the finishing and whatever mistakes were done were told to us, and we ourselves did the correction. And after a day when I've come back to review, to collect my stuff, you can see it's come out really well. And after the collection also, whatever corrections were there, that also I was told to do, and I did it myself, and it's come out really well. So I'm very happy with the service and the class, the workshop that I got conducted. So it was a very good experience. Definitely recommend it.